Hey everybody, welcome back to Spider-Man Age of Time. Okay, let's get started. And we left off where Spider-Man 8 Spider-Man from 299 is saving MJ. It's gonna be kind of stupid because she could have just broke the. I don't even know why I'm even trying. You know, comes great power, comes great responsibility. Come on, don't die. There we go. That's good.
No change. That's because I haven't gotten to her yet. I know you really didn't want to do this, but please, Peter.
I used to try to get to her about two times. I almost got her the first time, so I gotta get her one more time. Maybe 3, maybe 2. I don't know. I might die, but it's kind of worth it, and I might actually skip a part of this. Again, I'm at my Wayne house. Another house. I got 2 houses. My Wayne's house. My grandpa's house. My grandpa's house. Not my grandpa. Not my grandpa's house. My grandma's at the house. I gotta do this. Forget it. Yeah, you gotta try to keep on trying to go get her and all that. It's not really worth it. Really, it's not. I'm just gonna skip that. And I'm just gonna go to the part I actually want to see. Felicia. Okay. Black Cat. I don't know why her name's Black Cat, but I think she's supposed to be kind of sexy. Look at that outfit. Look at that outfit. Look at that outfit, y'all. See a chase, see my fans. Oh, girls, we're watching this. You got a boyfriend that's watching this. They're not really pervs. Okay? They're not pervs. No one's a perv for looking at a girl's chest in the video.
Really gonna do this, Felicia? You never could be me, Cat.
Right now, I don't even know why I'm even dying. This is death killer. Oh, wait. Mine. You just missed me. Reload someone, she can't even catch this. Like I just said, you can't touch this. Okay, now I'm helping this one. Okay, she's dead.
Felicia, I'm so sorry.
Oh, he's so sorry. Help me, Spider.
For me.
You actually fell for that. What did we ever see in him?
Felicia, this creature isn't you.
You don't get to lecture us on who we are, Spider. Not anymore.
In the first level, it will teach you something cool. Watch this.
Don't worry, I'll be there.
Freezes time, yo. I'm freezing the time. Look, every single person's dead. See? This is the super part though. I can't catch it. I can't get out. The only how you can get out is like the one button. That's good. You know, see, look, she got me in a headlock. gotta restart that, I swear.
Either I haven't done yet what you claim I did, or you're making this up to mess with my head.
And you get to guess which one. Isn't it fun?
So let's do that one way or another. I don't want to die slow.
You used to have a sense of humor.
I'm not gonna get out of that for a
Dying
while.
tends to get you serious and hurry.
I mean it,
Then
like
you're
literally,
about
I
to get
couldn't.
deadly serious.
No, Rena Felicia, that will be basically it for Spider-Man at the time, because I'm not really gonna show the part where I beat up Anti-Venom, that big giant ending.
You're just a glutton.
One, I suck. Like, you're gonna be there for a while. So,
How are you still standing?
please make it, like, just, like, you tell me if you want me to do the ending, like, see me fight Anti-Venom, and with, like, the ending part. I'll do it, but I'll only do it for you guys. I'm basically only doing this because I want people to, like, watch my shows and all that. Typically, you gotta beat up Felicia about like 4 or 5 times. From that, I just gained about a lot of power. Watch yourself. She's dead.
Alicia.
My hot dog's dead. My food is totally dead.
You actually felt with that.
My
Was he
lady's
ever
dead.
seeing him?
My
Alicia,
love is
this
dead.
creature isn't you.
Oh, your love for me is dead.
You don't get to lecture us on who we
Look
are,
at me, I'm a
Spider.
butt shot.
Not anymore.
Okay,
Peter.
fastest way to kill these
Energy
girls,
is limited,
first
so I'll
web
have to jump
swinger,
through at the same time. Don't
which
worry,
is the
I'll
right
be there.
arrow. Then you do this. Then you beat them. Like, see, look how fast she died. Oh, wait, no, she just knocked out. Boom! She's dead. Better be dead, I swear. You can last that, dude. You can last anything. The hammer, you need to upgrade that. You need to basically upgrade everything that I'm doing right now. Well, except the rock thing, but like the tornado thing. Oh, and if you hold the right arrow, look how cool that is. Oh. You can do it a few times or a lot, I don't really know. But for me, I only did it a few times. Oh, and basically, not just these robots can kill you with a, like, around your neck. Basically, any person, no aliens can do that. Robots, people, these clones, versions of Black Cat. Those are the only things that can probably do the neck thing to you. So you won't move. It's cool here and there, but it's just like brutal.
I'm en route to the gateway room. Tell me when you're there as well. We have to time this right. You got it, Miguel.
But we just watched this, like the video from earlier.
You and your counterpart are on a first-name basis now. It's good to know you've bonded.
Who are you?
I'm the CEO of Alchemax. The real question is, who are you, old friend?
Old friend. So this is where you make the big reveal, and I say, "Holy cow, Norman Osborn, or the Kingpin, Jonah Jameson." Come on, please be Jameson.
All of them long dead, I fear. Too bad they didn't have access to the anti-aging drug we developed. It does wonders for you. And I do mean you.
No, it can't be.
Can't be, yes. Why do people always say that? Good thing your future counterpart saved us, eh? Otherwise, we couldn't be this.
I become the evil mastermind?
Oh, don't be melodramatic. With great power comes great responsibility and great opportunity. And the only way to live up to all that responsibility is to use every opportunity to get all the power. I learned that the day I lost everyone I loved and didn't have the power to stop it.
What do you mean, everyone?
You'll find out. Except once I've fixed reality, you actually won't find out. Consider yourself lucky. Peter, it's up. Peter, get a move on!
I'm going as fast as I can.
Okay, so we're gonna go, actually, this is it for now, because I don't want to fight Anti-Venom and all that, and all this. Next week, if you guys want me to, I'll play, like, from that start, like where I just left off from my from this video. I'll play it from the end. That I can promise you, because it's not that long. I still gotta like do 5 things on there, and I got time next week for my birthday. I can stay another night here, and I can play this all night. Yeah, that's about it. Felicia takes a while to beat and all that. Mostly, the only thing that you should be doing is like hitting the left area. Okay. The arrow on the remote on the right, this hand, shoots out webs. But the arrow facing this way, so throws rocks. So I would like keep on throwing rocks at her or web sling her a few times. But other than that, you gotta beat her up at 5 times in the jungle, because the jungle there, and all that. It's fun, it's hard, it's challenging, and it's amazing. So that's, wow, I've been doing this for about 12 minutes now, okay. I don't really leave. And after that, I'll do the Amazing Spider-Man 1. I might get the second one for my birthday. I don't know if they have it or not. Or Lego Batman 3. I got Lego Batman 2. If you guys want, I'll do that game. Or I won't. Like, if you guys want, I'll like do another gameplay or something like that. But I just need like you guys to tell me what to do. Well, tell me what you want me to do. Like play video games, talk, sing, anything like that. I can't really go outside with the thing. Like go on my porch, I just can't really go on, you know. So yeah. My name's Cedric Sanders. Thank you for watching the show. Or video, I'm not really sure what I should call this. Thank you again. I swear I'll...
Cedric,
what?
was that noise down there?
No? Thank you for watching this, and goodbye. See you in the next video. Bye-bye. Or just peace.